So, hello everyone! My name is Mau or Morin. Thank you for visiting my channel. So, today I did this all warm look post-Valentine, if you want to say like that. But I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to my channel. I just want to share my love for makeup. So, I hope you guys like it. Thank you! Alright, so to start off, I'm using two primers today. I'm using Becca Backlight Priming Filter and the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, none but sweatpants looking like a princess. Some girls.
So I'll be using two foundations today. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is one of my favorite. And Fit Me Matte and Poreless in shade 220. And this one is in shade Cream Beige. Okay? Switching back to voiceover, so here I'm just putting my foundation all over the face and blending it with a sponge from LA Girl. So, blend, blend, blend.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, none but.
Yan. So, hindi ko siya napakita, pero I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. So, I'm putting this under my eyes to cover the eye bags and the darkness. And then, I'm also gonna put it to highlight the parts of my face. So, sa chin, sa nose, and sa forehead. After then, blend ulit. Blend, blend, blend.
Sweatpants looking like a princess. Some girls kiss new lips every single night. They're staying out late cause they just celebrating life. You know some days you feel.
Ayan, may pag-victory dance dahil maganda ang pagbe-blend. So, here, I'm just setting the foundation and the concealer using my Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 220. Ayan, para lang ma-set everything and hindi na mag-move yung foundation and concealer. And then we'll do some baking using the Coty Airspun translucent powder. Yan. Still using also a damp sponge from LA Girl. And then, if you guys have seen me do my live sessions sa Facebook or sa IG story, I always put a bit of powder sa gilid ng eyes before I do my eyeshadow. Ayan. It's a trick that I do. Sometimes, tape yung nilalagay ng iba, but the powder works for me. So, there. And still moving on sa face, I'm doing some contouring. Kaya lang na sobrahan sa dark yung nailagay kong pang contour. So, I had to blend it well. I'll be using a different brush in a bit to blend it. And if you guys can see, I have so many sumpa sa Feslock ko this month because it's the time of the month for the girls. So, there. Yan yun na. Kaya natin tong push lang.
So good in your own skin, but it's okay if you wanna change the body that you came in. Cause you look greatest when you feel like a damn queen. We're all just playing a game in a way, trying to win that life. Most girls are smart.
So here, I'm just cleaning the contour. So I'm putting again translucent powder. Sa my cheeks and then on the other side as well para malinis lang. Nasobrahan nga ako sa pagbe-blend, so para malinis lagyan natin siya ng powder ulit.
Strong and beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable. Most girls are fight to make every day. No to
So moving on to the eyes, I'm just prepping the eyes using a concealer. And then to set that concealer, I have my 15N palette from Morphe. I used the shade Custom to set the concealer.
By the side, I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like, I wanna be like.
So looking for a brush to use. I'm just kidding. So I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I will use the chocolate brown there color. I will put that all over the lid, and it may look messy at first, so don't worry because the edges will blend that later using a different color. So we're just packing it all on the lid. See? Hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi ko dito, pero I'm just showing you guys that I have put the color there sa lid. Taking that red shade, burnt red shade, still with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I will use that color to blend the edges. So, this is a different trick that I use. Minsan, inuuna ko muna yung transition color. Pero if I'll be using a dark color sa lid, yun muna yung inuuna ko, and then I'll just blend it using lighter colors. So, this will take a lot of blending, guys.
Some girls like to keep their physique real private. Some girls wear jeans so tight cause it feels so right, yeah. Some girls every day search and keep the big skirt and sleeping in late cause they just celebrate life. You know something.
So, after blending that color, I'm taking a different one, this yellow color, to lighten the edges still para may gradient effect yung ating eyeshadow. So, then blend again.
You feel so good in your own skin, but it's okay if you wanna change the body that you're gaming, cause you look greatest when you.
So, I'm taking that chocolate brown color again and putting it all over the lid. Because of the too much blending, nawawala na yung color niya. So, ayan, dadarken lang ulit natin. And then, if you guys would notice, magkakaroon ulit siya ng parang harsh line. So, we'll blend that away using the same burnt red color. So, more blending, more fun it is.
Feel like a damn queen, we're all just playing a game, you know we're trying to win that life. Most girls.
I'm still blending here. Although 3 colors lang yung ginamit natin, you have to make sure na they're all blended well. No harsh lines. And as soon as you have achieved yung color na gusto ninyo, then from there you can already stop.
Smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable.
I'm taking off the excess powder sa face. We're almost done. So I'm just taking this off. And of course, just putting on some blush still from Wet n Wild. And smile lang onte and then put it on the apples of your cheeks. And then just to set everything, or if you feel na medyo ma-powder yung face natin, so we'll just use the mist spray. This one is an Evian mist spray. Adding highlight is just an option. I have put a lot here, so we'll blend it well, and then that's it. We're done.
Feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, none but sweatpants, looking like a princess.
Then put on your favorite lipstick, and that's it. Thank you.